just done something new for the, it's something I've never done before in an online course. I did body doubling. With participants, I recorded part of the videos of me just sitting there working to do some body doubling with the people in the course. When I ask them to do work, I give them time to do it. You may be asking what body doubling is. It is the simple presence of another human, a body double of you per se, that it really inspires focus and can help a person, particularly a person who has attention deficits, diagnosed or not. It can help that person be more attentive, more productive by simply having another person in their workspace with them. Body doubling, it is not just for in-person meetings anymore. I've incorporated it into my predictive productivity course, and if you'd like more information on that class, please comment below or send me a message and I'll make sure to get it to you. In the meantime, body doubling, yay, body